The Great Pyramid. One of the most studied ancient riddles on Earth. Yet questions still remain.
There were tens of thousands of people here building the pyramids. Where's their settlement?
6 million tons of stone, shaped and transported over 30 years, to build an eternal tomb with a sacred purpose.
A scientist has shocked the world by revealing terrifying secrets hidden under the Giza Plateau. For years, he studied ancient tunnels and chambers under the pyramids. What he found could change history forever. Strange symbols, mysterious energy, and even signs of an unknown civilization were discovered. He says the Great Pyramid isn't just a tomb, it's a massive power source, built thousands of years before we thought. Who built it? Why? And what were they trying to hide? Now the scientist is in danger. Powerful people want to keep his discovery secret, but he won't stop. He's showing the world everything before it's too late. The world is full of questions like, is this real or just a theory? What proof does he have? Why would someone hide the truth? Could this change what we know about ancient history? What else is hidden under the Giza Plateau? To find answers to these questions, stay with us, folks. The world is in shock after a scientist reveals the great truth. Professors Filippo Biondi, Armando May, and Corrado Malanga have conducted significant research on the underground structures beneath the Giza pyramids, particularly focusing on the Khafre pyramid. Utilizing synthetic aperture radar, SRR tomography, their studies suggest the existence of a vast subterranean network extending over 2 kilometers beneath all 3 major pyramids, Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure. This network reportedly includes multiple cylindrical shafts, spiral pathways, large cubic chambers, and interconnected multi-level structures, potentially indicating a complex system of chambers and passageways. In their 2022 preprint, Biondi and Malanga demonstrated high-resolution 3D imaging of the Great Pyramid's interior using SAR technology, revealing previously undetected internal structures. These findings have reignited discussions about the pyramid's construction and purpose, with some proposing theories of an ancient energy grid or advanced engineering techniques. According to their findings, this subterranean complex extends approximately 2 kilometers below the surface and includes 5 multi-level structures connected by geometric passageways, 8 cylindrical shafts, each over 648 meters deep, surrounded by spiral staircases, 2 massive cubic chambers measuring about 80 meters per side. The researchers suggest that these features may indicate the pyramids were part of an ancient energy grid or a mechanical system, challenging traditional views that regard them solely as tombs. These underground spaces may have been used for secret rituals, storage, or even as tombs. He believes the pyramids and the Sphinx are much older than we thought, possibly built by a lost civilization. His findings suggest that the ancient Egyptians had advanced knowledge of science, engineering, and astronomy. This discovery is causing big debates among experts, but it also opens the door to learning more about our past. The scientist is now sharing all his research so others can explore the truth behind the Giza Plateau. The mystery is far from over. What is Giza Plateau and what's so special about it? The Giza Plateau is a dry, rocky land just outside Cairo, Egypt. It might look like a desert, but it holds one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient world. This place is home to the famous Pyramids of Giza, giant stone structures built thousands of years ago. The most famous of them is the Great Pyramid, made for the pharaoh Khufu. No one knows exactly how these massive pyramids were built, especially with no machines and only simple tools. Some of the stones weigh more than an elephant, yet they were stacked with amazing precision. What makes the Giza Plateau so special isn't just its size or beauty, but the deep secrets it holds. Scientists, explorers, and dreamers have searched for hidden chambers, lost texts, and clues about how the ancient Egyptians lived and thought. Strange alignments with the stars, hidden passageways, and ancient writings suggest that Giza may be more than just a burial place. Some think the pyramids were built to match the stars in Orion's belt, linking heaven and earth. Even after thousands of years, no one truly knows all the answers. How were the stones moved? Why were the pyramids built with such perfect math? What lies beneath the sand, still waiting to be found? The Giza Plateau keeps its secrets well. It is a place of wonder, mystery, and legend. A puzzle made of stone that still speaks to us across time. Pyramids. In the dry, golden sands of Egypt, 3 giants rise, silent, strong, and full of mystery. These are the Pyramids of Giza. For over 4,500 years, they have stood under the burning sun and cold desert nights. They do not speak, but they tell a powerful story. Who built them? How? Why? These questions still puzzle people today. Some say it was the work of thousands of workers. Others believe it was something more, something lost in time. The Great Pyramid, the tallest one, is made from millions of heavy stones. No machines, no engines, just hands, ropes, and genius. Or was there something more? Inside the pyramids, deep in the dark, are long passageways and hidden rooms. Some are still unexplored. What secrets do they hide? Some believe treasures were buried with the kings, the pharaohs. Others whisper of curses that protect the dead. Strange writings cover the walls, symbols that speak of gods, stars, and the afterlife. Each pyramid is placed with care, almost perfectly in line with the stars. How did the builders know this? Some say they had ancient knowledge we no longer understand. Others say the pyramids were not just tombs, but messages left for the future. At night, when the wind blows across the sand and the moonlight hits the stone, the pyramids seem to breathe. They feel alive, watching, waiting. Tourists come and go, but the pyramids remain, holding their secrets close. The pyramids of Giza are more than stone. They are puzzles made of time, silence, and shadow. No matter how many answers we find, the mystery grows. They are Egypt's silent guardians, and they are not finished telling their story. Great Sphinx. The Great Sphinx stands on the Giza Plateau in Egypt, near the famous pyramids. It is a huge statue with the body of a lion and the head of a man. Carved from a single block of stone, it is one of the oldest and most mysterious monuments in the world. No one knows for sure who built it or why. Some believe it was made by the ancient pharaoh Khafre. Others think it is even older. The Sphinx is over 4,500 years old and has faced thousands of years of wind, sand, and time. Its nose is missing, and people wonder how it broke off. Some say it was destroyed by soldiers. Others believe it was lost to nature. The Sphinx watches the rising sun, silent and strong, as if guarding secrets of the past. Many legends surround it. Some say there are hidden chambers beneath it, filled with treasures or lost knowledge. People have searched for these secrets for centuries, but nothing has been proven. The face of the Sphinx is calm, but its eyes seem to look deep into your soul. At night, under the moonlight, the Sphinx looks even more mysterious. Shadows make it appear alive. It is both a wonder and a puzzle. The Sphinx does not speak, but it tells a silent story, one of power, time, and forgotten truths. It is a symbol of ancient Egypt's greatness and the mysteries we may never solve. Cemeteries. The Giza Plateau in Egypt is famous for its huge pyramids, but it also holds ancient cemeteries that tell mysterious stories. These cemeteries are thousands of years old. They belong to workers, priests, and people close to the kings who built the pyramids. These tombs are not as large as the pyramids, but they are full of secrets. Some tombs have carvings on the walls showing daily life, while others have strange symbols and writings that experts still try to understand. The air is dry and still, and it feels like time has stopped. Many tombs are cut deep into the rock, and some have tunnels that twist like a maze. It's easy to get lost. Inside, there are dark rooms, stone coffins, and sometimes even bones left behind. Nobody knows exactly how many people are buried there. Some believe hidden tombs are still waiting to be found. Others say powerful magic was used to protect the dead. Sometimes, workers digging in the area feel cold wind from nowhere or hear whispers with no one around. These cemeteries are full of mystery. Who were all these people? Why were some buried with treasure and others with nothing? What secrets are still buried under the sand? Even today, archaeologists are careful when they explore. Every tomb could hold a new secret or a curse. The Giza cemeteries are more than graves. They are doorways to an ancient world full of drama, power, and the unknown. Workers' village. Near the Great Pyramids of Giza, there is a forgotten place, an ancient workers' village. Long ago, thousands of workers lived here while building the giant pyramids. This village was not just a group of homes. It was a busy, living city full of life, secrets, and silent stories. The workers were not slaves. They were skilled builders, cooks, and artists. They worked hard under the hot sun, carving stones and pulling them across the desert. At night, they returned to the village, where fires lit the streets and voices filled the air. They ate bread and meat, drank beer, and rested for another long day. Strange things have been found in this village: tools, broken pots, bones, and even graffiti on walls. Some drawings show jokes or strange signs. No one knows their true meaning. In the graves, the workers were buried with care. This shows respect and perhaps fear of something unknown. Why did they work so hard? Was it duty or something more? Some say they were promised life after death. Others believe they followed a powerful mystery, one buried deep inside the pyramid stones. Today, the desert wind covers the village with sand, but under that sand lies a world lost in time. Shadows move between broken walls. Whispers seem to come from the earth. The village keeps its secrets well, and though we dig and search, some answers may never come. In the shadow of the pyramids, the workers' village waits. Speculations of an entire city under Giza Plateau. For many years, the Giza Plateau in Egypt has amazed the world. It is home to the Great Pyramid, the Sphinx, and other ancient wonders. But now, some people believe that these famous structures may be hiding something even greater, an entire underground city. This idea sounds like something from a movie, but it is based on real stories and clues. Ancient texts, local legends, and even some modern researchers say that under the sand and stone of Giza, there may be a lost city. Some believe it was built thousands of years ago by a powerful civilization that had knowledge far beyond their time. In the 1990s, rumors spread that secret tunnels had been found under the pyramids. A team of researchers using ground-penetrating radar reported strange shapes in empty spaces beneath the ground. These shapes were too large and too regular to be natural. They looked like rooms, hallways, and chambers. Some even believed they found a map that showed a huge underground network stretching for miles. But then, the research stopped, or at least that's what the public was told. The Egyptian government and some archaeologists said there was nothing unusual beneath the Giza Plateau. They said the radar images were misunderstood. No tunnels, no chambers, no hidden city. Still, many people remain suspicious. Why stop the research if nothing was there? Why were some researchers no longer allowed to visit the site? Why were certain reports removed from public records? Over the years, strange stories have come from locals and former workers. Some say they saw staircases leading deep underground, then sealed off. Others say they heard strange sounds from below the Sphinx, like machines or voices. There are whispers that the Sphinx guards a secret entrance that only a few know about. Even older legends support this idea. Ancient Egyptian writings mention hidden libraries and halls of records buried beneath the sand. These halls were said to hold powerful knowledge about the stars, about the past, and about the gods. Could these be real? Could they still be waiting, untouched for thousands of years? Some believe that the city under Giza was not just a place of knowledge, but a shelter. They say it was built to protect people from a great disaster, maybe a flood or a war. This underground world might have once held thousands of people. Modern technology could help us find out the truth. Advanced scanners and robots can explore places humans cannot. Some think powerful people want to keep the truth hidden. Maybe they fear what might be found. Maybe the knowledge could change our history, our science, or even our beliefs. Beneath the hot sands of Giza, the silent secrets sleep. If there truly is a lost city under the plateau, it may be one of the greatest discoveries of all time. Or perhaps it is already known, just kept hidden from the world. The Giza Plateau holds many secrets. The question is, will we ever learn them? Or will they stay buried forever under stone, sand, and silence? The future of Giza Plateau. The future of the Giza Plateau continues to captivate researchers, blending ancient mystery with modern science. With new technologies like ground-penetrating radar, 3D mapping, and AI analysis, discoveries once thought impossible are becoming reality. Dr. Zahi Hawass, renowned Egyptologist, states, "Giza still holds many secrets. We are just beginning to scratch the surface." Recent studies suggest the presence of hidden chambers within the Great Pyramid, hinting at untouched historical data waiting to be unearthed. Dr. Mark Lehner, who has spent decades excavating at Giza, notes, "The plateau is not just about pyramids, but a vast, interconnected city of the dead, with roads, housing, and sacred spaces." This evolving understanding could reshape our perception of ancient Egyptian civilization. As global collaboration grows, so does the potential for breakthrough findings. Technologies developed by institutions like the Scan Pyramids Project are revolutionizing archaeology. What lies beneath is as significant as what we see on the surface, says engineer and Scan Pyramids member Mehdi Tayoubi. The Giza Plateau remains a living laboratory of history. As science advances, so too does the hope of revealing the full story behind one of humanity's most enduring wonders. The future promises discoveries that could redefine ancient history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this extensive review on the shocking yet mysterious and ancient Giza Plateau, hiding secrets and untold story, which has always got the special attention of the whole world, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on recent scientific researches and speculations on the famous Giza Plateau.